Starting a web design business can be very rewarding if you know how to combine your creative skills and your technical skills to meet growing demands for professional websites. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can start a website design business from scratch. Now, this video is for anyone who wants to learn how to earn extra income from web design services. All right. So if you want to learn web design, or probably you know how to design a website, but you are thinking of how to make money out of this, how to build a business out of the skill, all right, this is a video you should watch to the end, because I'm going to show you step by steps all of the things you need to do to start making money from website design business. Okay, now if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I am very excited to have you, and I want to say welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your finances. All right, so before we go ahead to talk about how you can start this business, I need you to kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to the video, and making sure you turn on the notification bell. When you do all of these things, it means that you support the growth of this channel. And then number two, whenever I post new videos, you will be the first to be notified. All right, so having said that, let's go straight into the video and let me show you how you can start a web design business from scratch. Now, number one is that you need to develop your skills. You need to develop your skills. That's very important. Before you start your business, you need to ensure that you have a solid foundation in web design and development. Now, there are skills that will help you to succeed as a web designer, and those skills are very key skills that are important to your career and to your business as a web designer. You can learn HTML, you can learn CSS, you can learn JavaScript, you can learn design principles. In fact, all of these things are very important and you need to learn them. But the advantage here is, or the interesting side of what I'm saying right now, is that you can design websites without even coding. Yes, you can start designing websites without using codes, and that's why I have a lot of people who are now web designers who are not even programmers. Are you getting this now? So the good thing is, however it is, if you want to learn web design as a programmer, or you want to learn it without coding, you still need skills. Okay, you still need skills to succeed in the business, and that's why it's very important for you to develop your skills. That's number one. Number two is for you to define your niche. Defining your niche just means you knowing which is your industry, where exactly do you want to focus on in web design. When it comes to web design, where exactly do you want to focus on? Do you want to specialize in e-commerce website? Do you want to specialize in restaurant website? Do you want to specialize in real estate website? You need to pick one and focus on it. If you can pick one and focus on it, it helps you to get the best kind of clients that are targeted. Are you getting this now? You need to understand what kind of website design services do you want to be offering. Do you want to offer services that are for people that have, for companies, or for one individual? You need to figure that out before you go into this business. All right, now one way for you to figure it out is for you to take jobs. All right, take jobs, as many jobs that comes to you. Take jobs. So the more jobs you do, you now understand which one you should focus on. All right, that's number two. Number three is for you to create a business plan. Just like any other business, you need a business plan. You need an outlined or a detailed business plan that will help you to stay focused. In your business plan, you should have something like an executive summary. You should have a business goal and your visions. You should have your market analysis. You should have the services you want to offer and many other important things. How you will spend money, you should have it in your business plan. Now, the advantage is that With a business plan, you have a direction, all right? You have a direction of what you want to be doing. With a business plan, you have a target, you have a vision of something to pursue. Another advantage of a business plan is that when you connect with investors, when investors meet you, they have something to look to, all right? They can trust you more to hand you money. They can give you grants because you have a vision, all right? That's what they're going to be looking at when it comes to doing business, all right? And it's very, very important. If you're going to be doing website design as a freelancer, this may not be too important. But if you're going to do website design as a business person, then you need a business plan, all right? That is number 3. Now, if you need a business plan, if you don't know how to write a business plan and you need someone to mentor you or coach you, or you want to hire someone that can help you do a business plan for you, just go to the comment section, drop a comment for me there, all right? I'm going to just give you an answer. That's number 3. Number 4 is for you to register your business. Very, very important. You need to register your business and have a business name, because these are the things that people will look at when they want to hand you money. They want to know if you are a real business or you are just somebody who is a freelancer. You need to just make that clear, okay? That is why you need to register your business, because when a time will come when you need to be dealing with big companies and big money, all right? That's why you need to register your business. Now, number 5 is that you should set up your workspace. You need a conducive workspace when it comes to doing web design. You need to establish a professional workspace that is equipped with high performance computer. You need suitable computer. You need softwares that can help you work. You need reliable internet connection. These are things that can help you to improve your job, help you to perform your tasks and be very, very productive, all right? You need other essentials to make your work progress, all right? That's number 5. Now, number 6 is for you to build a portfolio. Portfolio is very important when it comes to pitching your business. You can create a portfolio that showcases your best work, which includes your variety of projects that you want to demonstrate, that you want to use to demonstrate your versatility and your skills. When you are meeting with new customers, when you're meeting with new prospects, they are going to need your portfolio, and that's why it's very important to have a portfolio. You cannot say you're a web designer and you don't have a website. It sounds very, awkward. It sounds awkward that you are a website designer and you don't have a web design. You don't have a website. Very, very important. So make sure you have a website, and on your website you should have your portfolio. Okay, so if you don't have customers yet, one good thing for you to do is to do pro bono work, all right? Do volunteer works, support friends that are into business, create a simple website for them. That becomes your first portfolio. Are you getting this now? That becomes your first project that you can add to your portfolio. Are you seeing this now? So this is how you can build a portfolio for yourself if you are just starting out. Very important for you to have a portfolio. That's number 6. Number 7 is that you should establish your online presence and do marketing. You need to create a professional website. I've talked about it before. You need to be on social media. Your presence on social media must be seen. So you should have a profile on LinkedIn. You should have a profile on Facebook or Twitter. You should have a profile on different social media platforms. All right? You should have a YouTube channel where you talk about how to do website design. Okay? These are the channels where you can actually get people to come to you. All right? These are where you can have companies that are looking for talent. All right? So it is very important that you establish your online presence so that you can actually attract clients. Okay, now this other part of this is that you need to be doing marketing. establishing your online presence alone is not enough for you to succeed in this business. You need to do a lot of marketing, especially when you're starting out. You are not a big company. You need to do marketing. All right, that is very, very important. Okay, that is 7 ways, 7 steps that you can follow through to start a web design business. Okay, this is all I'm going to take for this video. In my next video, I'm going to share with you a site where you can learn web design. If you're interested in learning web design without having to code, there is a site. I will share that information in my next video, so make sure that you look out for my next video. Make sure you come back to this channel and check for that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notification, because if you don't do that, you may not see whenever I post that next video. All right, that is all I'm going to take for this video. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. I will see you in my next video, and please don't forget to check the description. Check anywhere around this video. I'll drop links to how you can access more information about this. All right, see you in my next video. Enjoy.